Hey everyone! If you're on the journey to shed some pounds, you know it's not just about hitting the gym or counting calories. What if I told you your spice rack might hold the secret to boosting your metabolism and accelerating weight loss? Yes, today I'm diving into the world of flavors, specifically 8 Indian spices that could be your new best friends in losing weight naturally. Let's spice up your fitness journey. First up, turmeric. This vibrant spice isn't just for coloring curries. It contains curcumin, which enhances fat burning and fights inflammation, a common culprit behind weight gain. Mix a teaspoon of turmeric in your morning smoothie or tea and let it do the magic. Next, we have cumin. Studies suggest that just 1 teaspoon of cumin daily can help you burn up to 3 times more body fat. Sprinkle it on roasted veggies or stir into your soup for a flavor that's as beneficial as it is delicious. Now don't overlook fenugreek. These tiny seeds are power-packed with fiber, which helps you feel full longer, reducing your overall calorie intake. Soak some seeds overnight and chew them in the morning, or powder them to sprinkle over your salad. Moving on to cinnamon. This sweet spice not only makes your desserts delightful, but also helps in regulating blood sugar levels, keeping those sudden hunger pangs at bay. A dash in your coffee or oatmeal can start your day on a sweet note and keep cravings in check. Cardamom, often found in chai, is your next go-to spice. It boosts metabolism and has diuretic properties, which means it helps in flushing out toxins and excess water from the body. Add some to your tea or coffee for a refreshing twist. Ginger, a root that packs heat, is known for its ability to enhance thermogenesis, which is how your body burns calories to digest food. A ginger tea in the morning can kickstart your metabolism for the day. Let's not forget about mustard seeds. These tiny seeds can increase your metabolic rate by 25%. Just a little sprinkle can go a long way in your dishes. Lastly, black pepper. It contains piperine, which enhances digestive enzymes and reduces fat accumulation in the body. So next time, be generous with that pepper mill. Incorporating these spices into your diet isn't just about losing weight. It's about embracing a healthier, more flavorful lifestyle. Start small, experiment with flavors, and watch how these spices can transform not just your meals, but also your health journey. Remember, consistency is key. Stay spicy and healthy, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!